Hello. For today's activity, we are going to inflate the balloons with vinegar and some bicarb soda. For this activity, we need some vinegar, we need bicarb soda and 3 balloons. Let's start by making some happy faces on balloons. Now let's fill the balloons with bicarb soda. The grown-up help you with this. Now let the grown-up put the balloon onto the bottle. Now let's flip the balloon. Now you can see me. Whoa, it's falling down. This is so cool. This is such a cool activity. They're growing more. This one's like a baby one. This one's Daddy and Mom.